gonna go on a little beach walk here. It's one of my secret spots. And here we go. I'm just gonna take our time. Enjoy the view. We are in sunny South Florida here. It's a billion degrees outside. It's very hot and humid, maybe 80 or 90 degrees. Sunny, breezy. Yes, it is hot. More humid than hot. The sun has kind of gone behind a cloud here, so it's not blaring on us. I'm not sure of the actual temperature. 85, 89. Hello. Just taking everybody out to my secret spot, one of my secret spots. Don't want to give away too much information, but definitely one of my favorite beaches to go to. There has been purple flags, which means jellyfish. I might want to try to take you out into the water at some point if I think that it's safe. So I'd rather not get stung by a jellyfish. No, definitely not a nude beach. It's a public beach. One of my favorite public beaches here. So, hey, Argentina. This app is so cool. Like, I just discovered it yesterday, and what an amazing app. Hello, Switzerland. You know, being able to connect with people all over the world is truly amazing here. It is super addictive. I was up very late last night, a lot later than I should have been, exploring the world. I want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching my beach walk. This is just one of my favorite spots to go to, and especially after work. I just got off of work, and it's a nice relaxing spot. You just sit and chill and think and meditate a little bit about the day. Definitely nice to read a book or write. I like to write poetry and stuff like that. We're in South Florida here. Nice, Fort Lauderdale, not too far from where I'm at. Stuff down and see if I can get us closer to the water. Oh, I don't really have anything on me. A lot of it's haikus. I definitely enjoy haikus and things like that. And I'm not really full of angst or anything right now to just bust out with some poetry, but let's see what we got here. I see a lot of seaweed in the water. We're gonna risk it. Hopefully we don't get stung by any jellyfish. Word. It has to be something like a butterfly. love butterflies and the ocean. Oh, yeah. So I just felt a jellyfish rub against my leg. It's not, I'm not going to get any bites. It's not really poisonous. I just don't like the feeling. It's kind of slimy and not very comfortable. So definitely not going in the water. On a better day, I definitely would take you guys in the water, hang out and swim around, but I just got tagged by a jelly, so we'll just do a little walk here. Walking on the beach, it's such a treat. It's kind of rough a little bit here today, but on a nice day there are some nice waves out here. This is definitely a nice little surf spot. More for longboards, yes, spoken word, any kind of creative outlet, creative poetry for sure. I definitely enjoy. I'm not sure if you guys can hear me because of the wind and the ocean, but I'm really stoked to have this app and get to share my world with everybody here. Such a very cool way, you know, and I look forward to experiencing your worlds, your favorite spots at some point. I really like this spot. I've seen snook and tarpon out here, stingrays, sea turtles. So that's partially why. Let's see if I can get a close-up of a jellyfish without getting stung. He kind of swam away, or he was pushed away by the waves. They're moon jellyfish, so they're not really poisonous. If you get stung by one, really it's like a mosquito bite. This is my hometown here. I've lived here practically my whole life. I've been going to the same beach practically my whole life. And I just love it here. I've traveled out of the country, I've traveled within the country, and I mean, there's no place like home. I would love to travel to Tahiti at some point, Bora Bora, someplace like that. The ocean just looks gorgeous out there. So I keep looking on the map view to see if there's anybody streaming or broadcasting from Tahiti or Bora Bora. I think I followed a couple of people from Hawaii, another place I definitely would like to visit. It is very nice. The water temperature is warm. There is seaweed and jellyfish. So not going in today, maybe another day. I'll try to broadcast a little bit every day when I get off of work. Oh, Puerto Rico. I actually did visit Puerto Rico on a cruise. So, I mean, we weren't there very long. We didn't really get a chance, you know, to swim in the ocean, but we did get a nice tour and some good margaritas. Yes, definitely. I don't think I've ever been somewhere that I haven't liked. You I don't think I've ever traveled to a country and said, oh, I'll never go back to that country. So definitely enjoy traveling and experiencing different places. My very first broadcast, so I'm really excited about that, and I'm going to keep trying to find new and innovating topics to broadcast about. Mostly will be about the beach. Oh, I would love to go to California again. Venice Beach. Oh, I love Venice Beach. That's really, if I had the choice, I think that would be my other home. That would be my other place. I don't know how to go back to view the comments because I saw a comment I wanted to answer. But I don't remember what it was. So maybe some people here are in a place where it isn't so sunny and gorgeous. Welcome here and enjoy the view. Hey, you guys, trust me, when it gets to be December and it's 80 degrees here and I'm swimming in the ocean and some of you guys are bundled up because it's snowing, this will be a nice view. Jellyfish. Let's see if you guys can see it. So that's our moon jelly. It's pretty nice. Mostly clear with some pink. But they're really hard to see in the water. You probably don't see them until you feel them. Don't worry about it. I don't think it's not PG-13 or anything. It's free creativity, right? Say what you feel. I know it's almost invisible, and honestly, like one just brushed against my leg. I felt the jelliness of it, but it didn't sting me or anything. So I just don't like the way it feels. It's like slimy. Here's a little baby one. It's pretty. My secret spot. Don't tell anyone. Just kind of sit here. Relax a little bit. Kind of think about the day of work. You guys enjoy my broadcast. I'm just going to let it run out a little bit longer and nice. Hey, however you can get relaxed, you know. my menu. I wish I was there. Well, you are kind of here in spirit, right? You can watch it. Go to your happy place in your mind. That's one of my favorite emojis, with the sunglasses, and then the peace sign. There's somebody out there swimming, very brave person. Maybe the squishy jellyfish don't bother them. Oh, the emoji with the sunglasses, and then the fingers that look like the peace sign. Put those two together and that's like my signature. Peace out. I'm at the beach. This beach, surprisingly, even for South Florida, gets some pretty nice waves. Yes, that one. Exactly. And I'll definitely be out here broadcasting if there's waves and surfers out. I have a surfboard, but I don't know if I could surf and broadcast at the same time. Although I did see someone in Australia today doing that exact thing. So, just such a very cool app. Yes. Yes. On the Periscope. It's Moxie V. Yay! I'm very excited to gain a follower. And if you follow me, I'm gonna follow you. I think that's how it, you know, it's only fair. No, it's not Moxie in real life. I have to have some anonymity. I don't even know how to say the word. But you know what I'm saying. I don't say like I have a high profile job, but I do try to stay a little bit under the radar. Don't want people I work with necessarily. Although, I mean, it's harmless, I'm at the beach. But who knows? There's some people like looking at me walking, like talking to the phone. You're good. You're good. I only got your feet. If there's any girls on here, they were some hot looking dudes. Just saying. I'm waiting for people to start like catching on that it's Periscope. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Yes, single AF. Definitely single. Been single for a while. I enjoy it, but I definitely miss having someone to cuddle. No, you know, at this point, I'd rather be pursued. You know, if they come back and they're like, hey girl, you want Periscope? What you doing? Let me get your number. Oh, look at, okay, so here's some birds. We have a large amount of pelicans here. I am in my my 30s, although I feel 29. Age is just a number. Okay, so now I'm starting to feel some of the jellyfish stings on my leg. I'm young at 30. Okay, cool. Well, I mean, I'm 30-ish. I'm in my 30s. How old are you, Jose? Jose Menu. '20's not so bad. 30 wasn't bad either. 30, you know, I feel like I have some, you know, life experience. I know where I'm at in my world. Around with it, so I can't actually respond. I'll have to look up some things, how to make this work. And thanks everybody for the hearts. If you tapped the screen and gave me a heart, thank you so much. I really appreciate all my viewers, and I'm gonna sign out here tonight. Aw, thanks, Jose. Wow. It's my very first broadcast. Jose is hooking me up with the hearts. I don't even really know what they mean, but thanks. And I'm gonna give everybody a nice peace out. Love you guys too. Let's see you. Heart. Peace sign. Thanks for tuning in today. And I'm going to try to do this every day. Come out here. You know, every day is different. Today there was just too many jellyfish for me. If it wasn't as rough, but there were still jellies, I would probably come out. But it's just so rough. I don't want to take any chances. I'm not worried about sharks, just worried about the jellies. Alright everybody, peace out, peace and happiness, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.